I feel it's something that everybody should put in, whether it's your house or on your factory rooftops. There is saving. There's not much to be done. The government has given a wonderful initiative in the last budget, pushing people in for residential houses as well. So no house should be without a solar rooftop. My name is Ronak Patodia. We manufacture automotive bulbs. My company name is Astra Autolites. I'm the fourth generation in my family producing bulbs, and we are at this location since 1996. We're supplying mainly to OEMs across the country. Going forward, renewable energy utilization is the fore, and there is cost saving in this project. Hence, we thought about putting this project up. In fact, this project was thought by us pre-COVID as well. And we had shortlisted with one of the service providers then, but then COVID happened, and so the project went in cold storage. Our bankers are Yes Bank. They got in touch with us asking us that they would be ready to fund for this project, and hence our interaction with Alligator started. See, the experience was very good, and hence we did conclude the project with Alligator. Makaranji would keep coming in very regularly and working with us. Along with Amirji, who assisted him in giving us the details and the map. Whatever we asked them, they kept submitting. And so hence we eventually closed with them. We've had roughly a saving of about 50 to 45% saving right now. We just got the net metering done last month. But what we've seen is about 50% saving is what has come in at the moment. I have given him a whole lot of work already. Close to 250 kilowatt for one of my family members, about 800 kilowatt they've already installed in one of my cousin's place. See, the team was cooperative. They delivered on time whatever they promised. Even if I changed my demands or I asked them something more, they never said no. They came up and with a solution and with an answer, and they did provide. And they never pushed for anything throughout the 4 months, 3.5 months tenure. So it was a very cooperative team and who were always available on phone. So that was one of my real plus points, that they delivered on time as per promise. It's a very cooperative team that they have.